Alright, how's everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And tonight, what I have for everyone is a real quick fitting demo and a real quick sound demo of the Anburt Bluetooth earbuds. Okay, this is the Anburt U8 Bluetooth earbuds. So real quick, I'm just gonna go over the different ways you can wear them. Gonna check for sound leakage at max volume. Then I'm gonna put the earphones up to the mic so y'all can get a real nice sound demo. Then we're gonna wrap the video up. So without further ado, let's get into this. So whoops, had it backwards. This is the right ear. This is the left ear here. That's how that looks. And you can see it's dangling in the front ear. Wear it like that. Okay. Or throw the cable behind your neck here. Wear it like this. Okay, let's go ahead and play some music now and check for sound leakage. Okay, man, actually, that's a lot of leakage. I don't know how well the mic is picking that up. Okay, let's bring the music up to the mic now. Take it to max volume. Alright, that should work. Alright guys and gals, so that was the real quick fitting and sound demo of the Anburt U8 Bluetooth earphones. Alright, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see some more raw, uncut content like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the little notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified every time I post a new video. As always, if these earphones or this video has piqued your interest, please be sure to check out the video description for all links to where to purchase these earphones at some really great prices. It's like a one-stop shop down there. You'll be good to go. And as always, guys and gals, if you guys know anyone out there looking for some high quality, affordable devices and products at some really great prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone because we all deserve the best. Alright everybody, I hope everyone has a good evening. Turn the music back on and play us out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.